Welcome back to our session on indexing products. Let me introduce our experts. I would like to welcome to this conversation Moritz Sternberg, Application Engineering Manager Automation, and Frank Bauer, our Sales Manager. It's great to have you here. Let's come to my first question. Frank, what makes Disteco the ideal supplier for indexing solution?
The origin of Disteco indexers goes back to the pioneers in the field of indexing, Camco and Ferguson. Camco was founded in the USA in the 1970s, and Ferguson is a manufacturer founded in Europe in the 1980s. Both these market leaders have shaped the market to this day with their revolutionary innovations. For example, the RDM series, a revolutionary compact indexing drive of its time, which still sets standards in the market today and was the first of its kind. After the takeover of the two market leaders by Disteco, the synergies of the two were used to offer what is now a leading global provider of indexing solutions under the umbrella of Disteco. We have been shaped by this history to this day and are known for extremely durable and robust products of the highest quality. Building on this history, we can offer customers the best solutions for their applications today.
Moritz, why should a customer choose an indexing as a solution? Won't they be replaced by a servo solution?
Thank you. This is a question that many customers ask me. Index drives are the ideal solution for many applications. For applications with a fixed number of stations that do not change over the life cycle of the system, an index drive is the most convenient solution. The advantages are clearly visible in each step. The advantages of a large center bore or stable mounting can be used as early as the construction phase. The user is now able to carry out his system cabling in a space-saving manner and move heavy loads without additional bearings. The installation requires little cabling and, if at all, any programming effort. This means that index drives are virtually a plug-and-play solution. During operation, indexers offer a very high positioning accuracy and an excellent repeatability. The high level of accuracy are maintained over the entire service life, even in high-speed applications. In most cases, this is well over 100,000 hours, which corresponds to over 16 years of continuous running. The long lifespan means high profitability. In terms of the total investment, index drives are cost-effective alternatives compared to servo applications, especially if you also include the cost of the control, software, cables, programming and equipment. If you only consider the dwell time of an application, a servo motor is continuously drawing power, whereas an AC motor simply stops and will not draw any power until required. This means that index drives are also gaining in importance from an environmental point of view. Higher flexibility of the system be required. All our indexers can be modified so that they can also be used as servo axis. For this purpose, servo drive technology is combined with index drives to use the advantages of both worlds. Our GTB and PGM series in particular already offer those advantages as standard. Full flexibility combined with high stability, a large center bore, and above all, a high level of accuracy and repeatability, thanks to the backlash-free mechanism.
Moritz, you have made the case on why indexers are still relevant today. Going into detail about Disteco indexers, how precise are they?
As already mentioned, indexers are characterized by a very high level of accuracy. There are different terms that play a role here: backlash, positioning accuracy, and repeatability. Let's start with backlash. The backlash is, so to speak, the air between the components and is therefore the deviation of the position in the event of a load change. With most servo gearboxes, a backlash of 6 arc seconds is rarely undercut. In addition to the measurement and the control system, this sets the limit of accuracy. This factor is not relevant for index drive, as they are set up backlash-free. The positioning accuracy is the accuracy with which each individual station can be approached. With our index drive, a positioning accuracy of up to 12 arc seconds is possible. This means on a diameter of 2 meters, a deviation of just 600ths. The repeatability is the accuracy with which the same station can be approached repeatedly. Due to the mechanical locking, the absence of backlash, and the always identical pair of components, a repeatability of up to 3 angular seconds is possible. With a diameter of 2 meters, we are talking about only 1.5 hundredth. Especially in high-speed applications, the control system is the limiting factor for servo applications. Indexers are set up backlash-free and are independent of measuring and control systems. This ensures that the precision is maintained even at high speeds. Indexers can therefore show their advantages best when it comes to precision. To guarantee this, every indexer is checked for this exactness before delivery, to guarantee the best possible product for our customers.
Frank, could you please give us some examples of typical applications for indexers?
Of course, Edith. There are several applications that are based on a clocked process. Think, for example, of filling bottles in the food industry or filling blisters in the pharmaceutical industry. In many production areas that are automated, indexing solutions can also be found for assembly actions, processing steps, for printing or packaging. Indexers are used in a particular where speed or precision in the individual process are important. Our solutions can be found everywhere from automotive to consumer goods to the packaging industry.
Frank, when it comes to indexing and its applications, which you gave great examples of, how does the Desteco product family make a difference?
First of all, Desteco offers a wide range of automation products for a wide variety of applications. We are a full service provider for pick and place applications and similar processes, from grippers to vacuum cups and clamping technology to indexing. This scope is unique and enables us to have unique expertise for the entire automation process, which is available to our customers to solve their problems. With regard to index drives, Desteco offers the most comprehensive range on the market. You will find rotating solutions such as indexing tables, as well as linear solutions, such as our high-precision conveyors. Whatever your application requires, whether slow or fast cycling, maximum precision, heavy loads, or whatever combination of properties you are looking for, you will find a solution in our comprehensive range of indexing products.
Moritz, how do I choose the right indexer for my application?
This is actually quite simple. At Desteco, as with the grippers, we have various options for this. The first is our indexer sizing tool. By entering the application data, the right index drive for the application can be selected in a guided program, also with our support. Reduction gears and even the right motor can also be configured here. But especially when planning complex systems, there are often more things to consider. Our trained staff can competently help you with the design and project planning. Visits on site are both possible and desirable in this context.
If I can't find the right indexer, is it possible to get a tailor-made solution?
Since both motors with reduction gears and motion sequences, for example pendulum motions, can be freely selected, there is hardly an application that is not covered by our product portfolio. However, should the case arise that none of our products meet your requirements, designers in Asia, USA and Europe are available to help the customer with advice and action to find a tailor-made solution for their problems.
Frank, does Desteco offer an after-sales service for indexers?
We are where our customers and their systems are and provide service and maintenance work by Desteco or by a service provider. This way we can ensure a global on-site service by competent and trained staff. We further also offer service instructions as well as spare parts, which is important when our indexing gears have been in service for several decades. We don't leave our customers alone after the products have been delivered. This gives our customers the security of being able to operate their systems over the entire product lifecycle without costly redesigns.